All right, guys, this is the Dewalt Tough System 2.0 job site tool bag. Now, this thing has 50 pockets and just a bunch of little straps here for things. It weighs a total of 1 pound. It has a shoulder strap as well with a nice pad on it. On the top here, you have a lot of bungees. A lot of people aren't sure what these are for, but these are for your like your larger power tools, things like that. You can easily slide them in here. Here on your handle, you have a nice solid plastic handle that kind of fits together like that to carry it here. It's got some little padding here so you won't hurt your hands when you got some weight in here. Kind of look at some of the pockets here. Now you have these nice slip resistant glove zippers here. The handles that allow you to unzip it here. A lot of vertical pockets on this thing. The other thing I do like a lot is these straps here. Again, you can pick the bag up by that. That is really convenient. Going through some of the pockets you got going on here in the front, we have a nice, our open kind of padded storage area, so you could put possibly a glove or your phone in here, maybe your sunglasses. Nice padded protective case. You could probably put a laptop in there too. I don't know. Again, these things are nice. If you have gloves on, things like that. Nice padding there. On our sides here, plenty of storage here. Nice straps as well for your bigger tools. This pouch comes out. Again, more pockets on the side here, which are nice. And then on the back here, got these straps here, which is great for something like a level. That's what I'll usually use it for. You put the level in there, and you can kind of strap it to the side, and it holds it pretty well. And then here again on the other side, just more pockets. Convenient. You have a tape holder here that's solid. It's reinforced. Again, more pockets in there, bigger pockets. Nice nylon straps here that you can for your hand tools, things like that. Now on the inside, as you can see, we've got quite a bit of space here. A bunch of hand tool pockets here. You've got one here for a drill, maybe a battery, a battery here. A lot of pockets on this side. If we turn this around, on the other side, we got a bunch more of larger pockets with some elastic straps there. Now on the bottom, we got a nice hard plastic bottom that is waterproof. Then on the bottom, you'll see down here you have a waterproof base that will also connect up to the Tough System 2.0. So if you already have the storage system, this can go right on top and click right in. So that's really nice and convenient. This is just a great bag. If you like Dewalt bags, and I am a huge fan of these, I like a lot of what they make. They're tough. They're made of polyester, and it holds up very well. All the different ones I've had over the years.